Welcome to our Fun Kids channel, where animals talk, stories sparkle, and every day is a happy adventure. In a land filled with sunshine and magic, there stood a peaceful kingdom beside a glowing golden forest. Birds sang happily as the trees whispered ancient secrets. High inside the palace lived a young prince named Aaron, who dreamed of adventure beyond the palace walls. One quiet morning, he chose to follow his heart and slipped away toward the forest. Deep inside the golden forest, a playful monkey named Miko swung swiftly from tree to tree, laughing as he grabbed fruit midair. Below him ran Bruno, a loyal and cheerful dog, barking happily as he chased his fast friend. Their joyful sounds filled the forest with laughter and life.
Amazing.
Not far away, near the quiet bushes, a shy pangolin named Pango watched carefully. He was gentle and wise, always listening to the forest. Just then, footsteps echoed through the clearing as Prince Aaron stepped into the sunlight. The animals froze at first, unsure of the human before them, but the prince smiled kindly, and the forest seemed to relax. Suddenly, the warm air changed. A cold wind rushed through the trees.
Come on, friends,
Leaves
this way!
trembled, and
Ice
the
Trail
river
Farm!
began to freeze.
Whee! Here we
The
go!
forest had never felt such cold before. Across the frozen water, a small figure slid smoothly on the ice. It was Pingo, the penguin, calm and confident, far from his icy home. Pingo looked around the forest thoughtfully. This land was not meant for him, but danger had brought him here. The forest slowly fell silent. Far away, shadows began to move. An unseen darkness was awakening, and this was only the beginning of a great adventure.